Let's go, baby! Ford! Oh! Whoa! Gosh, guys, you love to see it with a high today of 1473 on this beautiful freaking Tuesday when the market is down and Ford is persevering and pushing through. Oh, woo, guys, what is up? It is your boy Aaron, and welcome back to Alpha's Trades, where we like to talk about the stock market and cryptocurrency and kind of what's going on with certain tickers. In today's video, we got ticker symbol Ford, and I just kind of want to give you guys an update on what's been going on with it. My last update was on Sunday, and it kind of went perfectly, like with what I said in the video. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And I also kind of want to talk to you guys about the news that dropped yesterday that helped push Ford stock to 1473. Guys, before I get into today's video, let me just go ahead and start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor nor expert. I literally have no idea what I'm talking about, so please do your own DD, please do your own research before you believe every single thing I say. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, I made it on Sunday. I made a couple predictions, and let's just go ahead and talk about those couple predictions. So my first one, and I will say this is the one that I really thought was going to happen, and I was wrong. I was wrong. I'll go ahead and accept that. I'll learn to accept defeat whenever defeat is there. But I personally thought we were going to see a pullback back into this 1328, 1354 range, and then kind of see the bounce from there. But Ford got some perfect, amazing news yesterday, and we'll get to that 1 second, which caused this bad boy to just shoot all the way up. Now, I said key areas of resistance after $14 is going to be every 50 cents, and as you can see right here, it's looking like that is the case. It broke 14, started to kind of not break 25, like it got to 25 a little bit, but it started pulling back, and then today just shot right through that 50 cents all the way back up. Now this could be a bull trap, and we still could see slight pullback, but honestly guys, like Ford is just trucking away, and especially with the news that came out, oh my gosh. All right, so let's go to the market. Let's just pull up ticker symbol Ford Motor, and let's just go ahead and let's just pull up this for one. This right here is just absolutely just kind of crazy wild. I could care less about that. But Ford spending $11 billion to build 3 US battery factories. Guys, y'all have no idea how insane that is. Let's see. F-Series pickup trucks in Tennessee and Kentucky. I don't know what to say. That means the batteries are going to start coming out a lot faster. Now, it's not the chip shortage, so don't get that confused with the chip shortage. Semiconductor thing is something completely different. These are batteries. I'm assuming that holds the electricity. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Let's hit X. Let's go back down to these. Boom. Ford Motors said Monday plans to invest $11.4 billion in the Korean partner SK Innovation to build new manufacturing facilities for electric vehicles. Dang. Spending around $7 billion on the projects. Okay, so look, that's perfect, because that's going to start being able to fill these orders a lot quicker. So therefore, instead of waiting like 8-9 months for these orders to get filled, you're gonna have to be waiting like 2-3 months, maybe not even that long. And it's also going to help Ford's stock and Ford's car lots, because been driving past there, looking slightly empty, but with these facilities opening up, hopefully that will help. And it's going to add 10,800 US jobs to the factory, which is in turn going to boost the economy. Like, Ford is just doing everything they can to, whoa, what did I just see? I saw it. You guys saw it too. But yeah, Ford's doing everything they can to kind of bring their cars back to life. They're already bringing it back to life. They're trying to bring all cars back to life, I should say. So on that, like, obviously that is going to make Ford's stock kind of shoot up a little bit. I don't really want to do too much technical analysis. I still will, because I feel like it's important that you guys should know kind of like what to expect and where the stock should be kind of heading. Now, as you know, the markets today are just getting absolutely slammed right now. It's currently 3:28 p.m. Ford stock is sitting at 1437. It's kind of been consolidating in this area quite a while now. I think we are doing that to kind of let the MACD cool down, let the RSI cool down. But as you can see on all these charts, like I keep saying it's bound to happen, but like a pullback, guys, is bound to happen. Let's just go to the Fibonacci retracement again. Let's go to the bottom of the run up, boom, to the top of the run up, boom. And these are areas that you can expect to see. 1360, 1393. We could definitely see. So since, let's actually take a step back. Actually, let's kind of take a step back. Hold up. So usually after stocks break out of areas of resistance, they tend to kind of come back down. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. They tend to try to come back down, test them as lines of support. So we're gonna draw this line right here. Now, honestly, over the next 2 days, you could see a pullback all the way back down to this 14 area. I say maybe 14, 14, 10, just to let things kind of cool off, because you can't just keep running and running and running and running and running all day long. Ford gapped up crazy in the aftermarket. I think it was up like 5% or some crazy-ish like that. And for Ford, guys, if you've been a part of Ford for a long time, you know that is not like, that's not like Ford at all. Volume sitting great, still up what is this, 1.42%, as of right now, 1.45 or whatever. So it's looking great. Volume's kind of picking back up a little bit slowly but surely. But yeah, I think that is gonna go ahead and kind of wrap up the video. Kind of just a brief recap of what I said. The weekly MACD is still kind of curling up. She's trying to get up there, and it's great because we are setting higher highs on the weekly, and we've been doing that since last month. What is this, 9/10? Yeah, so since last month we've been setting higher highs on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is great, 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 great for bullish momentum. I have this line drawn here for like a support area, but I don't know, I guess it's off. But we can use all of these lines that I mapped out. Like I said, 14, 14, 50, $15. All of those are going to start acting as your areas of support. Those are kind of like psychological barriers. I wouldn't necessarily say like barriers that hedge funds put up, but you never know, honestly. Like with Ford stock, it's usually like that every 25 to 50 cents or so. But along with the technical analysis, we could see a pullback definitely to this 14 area to test that as support, and then go and make its next leg up. And then along with the news, hopefully we get some semiconductor news. The White House is kind of pressuring them, like I said in my last video, to do that. So hopefully we get that done soon. Hopefully the chip shortages come back to life. You do that, oh my gosh, just looking at this, 5,000 decliners, 1,000 advancers, everything's in the red. 2% red, 1% red, 1% red, like come on. And then you go to global, and this is what I don't get. Everything is red except China, who had the whole Evergrande situation, who were the ones that crashed. Come on now. What is going on? Biden, step your game up, bro. Come on, let's go. Let's get this going. But to be honest, guys, no, that's another video. I'll get into like the whole market situation in another video, but that is gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. Ford has been doing great. It's kind of been, what is that? Ford has been doing great. It's been kind of going exactly what I've been saying for every single video, really. If you've been keeping up with me, thank you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Get future updates with Ford, and I think instead of doing a $500 challenge to like 2,000 or whatever I said, I think I'm gonna do 100 into 1,000, and you guys can be expecting that soon. But you guys gotta let me know in the comments like what you want to see. Do you just want to see updates on certain tickers? I'm bullish on Ford, and I'm gonna continue to make videos about Ford until it hits my price target, and then after that we'll talk about what I plan on doing with Ford. You never know, it could keep going past 20. I feel like 20 would be just crazy psychological resistance area, and after we touch that a little bit, I feel like it might go back down. So it's always good to secure some profits. But I think I'm also going to hop into $15 call options expiring in December, maybe after this kind of test $14 area of support again, or if I see that it keeps going up. Either way, I'm going to be jumping into some $15 Call options expiring in December. They're super cheap right now. Let me go ahead and look at that actually. How do I look at that on here, to be honest? Wait. Yeah, honestly, I don't know how to look up that. Let me look it up on my phone real quick. It can't be more than like, oh, it's down. Yikes. Carve. It's all good. Good thing I didn't hop in it. It is just a watch list. Anyways, that is gonna go ahead and be the video today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Happy trading, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Also, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm not an expert. Please do your own DD. Please do your own research. And let's go forward!